Alright guys, here's your reminder on how to scan your floor plan into SketchUp and to size it to scale. First things first, take a picture with the digital camera as vertically as you can to avoid any perspective warp. After that, remove the memory card and plug it into the front of your computer. You can access it through the File Explorer by going to this PC, and there will be an icon there that says USB drive. Click into there until you find your picture. Copy it to your H drive. Make sure you delete it once you're done so people don't have to sift through them. I would also recommend renaming it to something along the lines of floor plan. From there, open up SketchUp. Go to File, Import, and by default, it's going to be looking for 3DS files. So what you want to do is click on that and change it to JPEG images. Once you've done that, you should be able to see your pictures, especially your floor plan. Choose it and import it. Make sure you're looking in your H drive if you can't find it. First click is to place, second click is for scale, and there we go, we've placed our floor plan. After that, it's a matter of scaling it to size. So first things first, make sure it has the blue background. If it doesn't, use the selector tool to click on it so it does have the blue background. And here we are. Now this wall is supposed to be 0.5 meters, but we can do this on any side of any square because we know what the scale is. So I'm going to click here, and it says it's 0.16 meters. It should be 0.25 meters. So the way to change that is click a second time and immediately type in the length that it should be, 0.25 m, and you can see it in the bottom right of the screen where it says length 0.25 m for meters. Now I press enter. Do you want to resize the model? Yes, we do. So it's scaled it up to fit, and now I should be able to take the measurement on pretty much any side and it'll be pretty close. It might be a little bit off if you're zoomed out, or there might be a little bit of a wave to the paper when you scanned it, so it might not necessarily be exactly 0.25 in every place that you look. However, for what we're doing, it will be close enough. After that, start building on your floor plan. So I drew a rectangle here, and you can see that it doesn't quite line up with the other two corners, but again, it's good enough for what we're doing. Always make sure that after you make a two-dimensional shape, you extrude it into a three-dimensional shape before you start building walls. And any doors or windows, don't just leave a gap there for them. You would want to make sure that you are building a wall and then either placing a door into it from the 3D warehouse or building your own.